Have you ever asked yourself, why do the companies that dominate global markets continue to allocate billions every year to their communication? Is it out of habit, or is it because they rely on financial indicators that most observers ignore? For many entrepreneurs, communication is perceived as an expense, a luxury, or a cost center. For industrial leaders, it is the most strategic, intangible asset on their balance sheet. What does the architecture of high-level communication actually consist of? It is not simply about designing images to liven up digital platforms. A serious approach is more akin to attention engineering. Its role is not to consume resources, but to build an ecosystem capable of transforming a stream of strangers into regular customers, and then into brand ambassadors. It is the science of perception applied to economic performance. Global macroeconomic data confirms this dynamic. Worldwide advertising investments are currently approaching $1 trillion. Entities like Apple, Nike, or Amazon do not increase their budgets each year by accident. They know that a strong brand reduces persuasion costs, accelerates trust, and secures margins over the long term. In the minds of the public, they ensure that a need is instantly associated with their name. These companies do not communicate because they are big. They became big because they knew how to orchestrate their communication. Most entrepreneurs do not lack talent or vision. They mostly lack visibility. And in a saturated environment, invisibility is a critical risk. While some structures invest methodically to capture the attention of billions of active users on global networks, others are gradually becoming invisible in the minds of the public. At this level of competition, every empty space left behind is immediately occupied by a competitor. What often escapes direct observation is that the bulk of this work is executed in the shadows. The visual impact is only the tip of the iceberg. Beneath the surface, effectiveness relies on data analysis, behavioral audience segmentation, and the continuous optimization of messages through rigorous testing. This is the necessary transition between intuitive broadcasting and precision acquisition. The question is therefore no longer whether to invest in one's communication, but to measure the real cost of invisibility. The time when the simple quality of a product guaranteed its commercial success is over. Today, the viability of an economic model depends directly on its capacity to capture and maintain attention. Communication is not a charge. It is the structural engine that transforms silence into measurable performance.